In this tutorial, I'd like to introduce another piece that explores 5/8 rhythm. This is Dancing Barefoot in the Rain by Nkeiru Okoye. Unlike some of the earlier pieces that I've introduced that also use 5/8, this piece is at a higher level because you have to be able to feel pauses in the 5/8 rhythm and at different times in any given phrase. So if you'll remember, a phrase like that came up in one of the earlier pieces, or the continuous ostinato of another piece. So when you always have 5/8 notes going, then you can orient yourself if the other hand does something at the same time. Here in this piece, you really have to feel 8th notes and then quarter notes and then maybe even dotted quarter notes without that framework to keep you on track. It has a repeated motive that sounds like this. So already you hear the last note of the motive is longer, but that repeats, so you get a feeling of the dance lilt to it. The left hand also has an ostinato, but briefly, where you hear a continuous 5/8 pattern. But other than that, there's constant shifting. The time signature will even change from 5/8 to 4/8 to 6/8. The motive might continue, but you have to hear an extra beat of pause, or maybe a shortened motive. And that's what makes this piece challenging, but it also gives it its dance-like interest. It just sounds like children playing in the rain, following their own rhythm. You can even put speech rhythms to it if it helps you remember. Something that I thought of because I was listening to another song that would work well with this motive would be, it's fabulous, it's wonderful, it's marvelous. Something that will help you remember that. So, have fun learning Dancing Barefoot in the